Hey, Harry, how's your JavaScript journey going?
Honestly, I'm still figuring it out. I keep hearing about variables and this console.log thing. It all sounds mysterious.
Yeah, JavaScript can feel like magic at first, but it's everywhere. Did you know that over 17 million developers use it around the world?
Seriously, that many?
Yep, it runs on browsers, powers websites like Netflix, Google, and Facebook, and even helps with servers, mobile apps, and games.
Okay, I'm listening now. So, what's a variable?
All right, imagine you have a box. You write a label on it like mood, and you put something inside, let's say happy. Later, you can open the box, check what's inside, or even replace what's in there.
So, it's like giving a name to some value?
Exactly. That's a variable. It stores a value, so you can use it later.
And what's the difference between var, let, and const? I see all three all over the place.
Think of var as the old, unreliable box. People used in the past, but now we avoid it. Let is like a modern box you can reopen and change the content. Const is a box you lock. Once you put something inside, it stays there forever.
So if I say, my mood is happy, and later I feel tired, I can update it with let, but const wouldn't let me?
Exactly. With let, you can say mood is tired, and the change happens. But if you use const, you'd be stuck with happy, even if you're not.
Interesting. But how do I check what's inside the box?
That's where console.log comes in. It's like holding a flashlight to peek inside your variable and see what's stored.
So I'd say, console, show me the mood, and it replies, tired?
Pretty much. And that's how we test and debug, by asking JavaScript to tell us what's going on inside our code.
Okay, that actually makes sense now. So, I'm officially a JavaScript developer?
Not quite yet, but this is a solid start.
Nice. So what's next?
Next, we dive into data types. You'll love that it's like sorting everything you own into categories. Numbers, words, true or false, even lists and boxes inside boxes.
Oh boy. Sounds like spring cleaning, but with code.
Exactly.